Okay, for these multiple choice questions, first one, which of the following statement concerning atom is correct? It's asking about atom. All atoms do not carry net charge. Is this right? This is actually the answer. The answer is A, is correct. Why? Atom 本身有嘅 number of positive charges, protons, equals number of negative charges. Okay, they are the same. So therefore, A is already correct. So in order to save time, if you have problems for B, C, and D, please come and ask me. So the answer is A. Okay. Okay. Number 2. An atom has the same number of neutrons as K39. 咁我哋先寫咗 K39 出嚟先，跟住但係多一樣嘢就係 K 係 atomic number 幾多啊？19。我哋寫咗呢個出嚟先，然之後 number of protons we know is 19. Number of neutrons 39 divided by 19, so it's 20. And then electrons should be the same as protons, which is 19. Okay, so now we have got an atom that has the same number of neutrons as K39. So let's say the atom is called Y. So Y has the same number of neutrons. It has 20. And then the atom has one proton more than this one. So it's not 19 anymore. Y has 20. It says 19 plus 1. So it's 20. 20啦. So what's the full atomic symbol? Atomic symbol, proton, 20. So Y should be 20 right here. And then mass number equals protons plus neutrons equals 20 plus 20. That is 40. Okay, so it should be 20, 40. So let's look at it. It should be 20, 40, 20, 40. But we have got two choices. Which one is it? Atomic number 20, it should be calcium. So the answer should be D. Okay, D. Next, the atomic number of manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So let's write it down for our notes. Mn, it says, oh, we've got space here. It says 25 here. Okay, and then 26 for this one, 27 for this one, and 28 for this one. So which one has the largest number of neutrons? So easy. 55 divided minus 25 equals 30. 57 minus 26 equals 31. 57 minus 27 equals 30. And 58 minus 28 equals 30. OK， 咁佢講咗咧，佢啲 atomic number 咧係呢幾個咧係25、26、27、28，咁我哋照寫翻25、26、27、28啦。跟住個 mass number 就喺個選擇嘅裏邊咧俾咗我哋啦。咁佢就問翻 neutron 嘅話咧，我應該就直接減數，將佢寫完之後減數就應該計到出嚟啦。咁所以 therefore the answer should be boy. Okay, boy. This one up. Okay, number 4. Which of the following statement about atoms these two are correct? 哇，未見過喎，係咪啊？唔使擔心嘅 ，mass number 俾咗你啦。They have the same number of protons, is it? Same number of protons, of course, is a true because they are both rubidium. Sorry, both Ru. So they are the same. So protons will be the same. They have the same number of neutrons. Is it correct? No, definitely not. Because 減 x 唔知幾多 88 minus x, they won't be the same. they should be different. So the number of neutrons should be different, F. They have the same number of outermost shell electrons. This should be true. Why is that? Because their atomic number is the same. That means they have the same same number of protons. And so they have the same number of electrons. So same electronic arrangement. Okay, because they have the same atomic number. 所以有呢三個，咁所以呢個咧都係 true 嘅。So 1 and 3. Therefore the answer should be B. Okay, should be B. Next. Question 5. Full atomic symbol of isotope lithium, this one, lithium-37, it can be deduced that 乜嘢呢？即係可以推算到乜嘢呢？What can we deduce it about? All isotopes of lithium have 4 neutrons. No, not necessarily. 因為佢話 all isotope 就錯咗㗎啦。你只可以話依一粒係 4 啫，7減3，但係你唔好話 all isotope 㗎嘛。咁可能有 lithium-38啫，咁就5 neutrons 㗎咯喎，咁就錯咗㗎啦，所以係 F. Okay, F for this one. And then B, relative atomic mass of lithium is 7. Relative atomic mass 係要 calculate 嘅，要計嘅。咁佢呢度淨係7，你就話佢係7，咁梗係唔啱啦。係要成 relative abundance 嘅嘛。好啦 ，C, relative isotopic mass of lithium. This one is 7，啱啦。True, because we can see this number is the relative isotopic mass. It is also called mass number as well. Okay, it is also the mass number, but for this one, particularly this one, 因為佢有 isotope， 所以可以叫佢做 relative isotopic mass。咁係7係啱嘅。咁所以答案已經係 C 㗎啦。咁但係我哋睇埋點解係咪 D 咯喎 ？D Li37 isotope has 7 electrons. No, it should be 3. Okay, so it's F. So the correct answer is C. Number 6. Element X has 2 isotopes, this one and this one. If the relative atomic mass of X is 69.7, which of the following combination correctly shows the abundance? 呢條呢，使唔使一定要次次攞計數機去乘晒佢呢？For example， 次次都逐個計咯喎。69 69 times 10% plus 71 times 11%。哇！撳晒4個都咁樣寫，唔使啦。It is not necessary because we can see this number 69.7. It is quite a number close to the middle of 69 and 71. Let's think about it. 69, 71, 69, 71. What's the middle? The middle is 70, right? So 69.7 is quite close to the middle. It should be somewhere around here, correct? So 如果50% 呢一個係50%，呢個都係50%，咁就應該係攞中間數70啦。But now is 69.7， 所以會偏向69係多啲嘅，咁個數先會近69多啲噶嘛。如果係71多啲，咁就近71多啲啦，就超過70而近71啦。但係依家係細過70，近69。Therefore, it must be more than 50% for 69。咁所以 the only answer should be C。65 35%。咁 65% 擺明就係 more than 50%， 所以個數就近69多咗啦。 Okay, so a simple trick to find out the answer. 唔明問我下，再 Okay, number 7. The number of subatomic particles in atoms WXY is tabulated below like this. Which of the following statement concerning these atoms is correct? Atomic number of Y is 13. Atomic number of Y, this one equals to number of protons. Or like this, proton number. So that should be 11. Y should be 11. So this is F. Okay, should be 11. And X has a mass number of 24. Well, mass number equals to number of protons plus number of neutron. So that means should be protons. XR's number of protons. Look, protons is 12, neutrons 13. So it's 12 plus 13 equals 25, which means B is wrong as well. It's not true. Thirdly, the relative isotopic mass of Y is 22. So again, relative isotopic mass equals to mass number. So equals proton plus neutron as well. So Y is here. 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 equals 23. So it's not 22. So it's wrong again. Well, the answer is D, but let's look at Y. W and X are atoms of same element. Same element means same proton number. So let's look at it. W and X. W 12, X 12. Same number of protons, same element. Correct. So the answer is D. Okay, the answer is D. Okay. And lastly, the last question, yeah? Okay. The electron diagram of the element Q is shown. Only the outermost shell electrons is shown. 淨係 show 到最出邊嗰層嗰個嘅電子啫。2, 5， 呢度有5粒。OK， 5。咁好啦，咁佢就話啦，咁呢個係 atomic number 幾多呢 Q？ 咁我哋就要諗啦。佢最出邊係5，係咪應該攞佢哋嘅 electronic arrangement 最出邊最尾嗰個數係5就係答案啦。咁所以although atomic number 係 number of protons， 但係我哋可以點啊 ？atomic number 等於 number of protons， 但係亦都等於 number of electrons。OK， 所以我哋睇翻佢嘅 electronic configuration 就得啦。5係 2 3， 7係2 5， 12係2 8 2， 17 2 8 7。 So the answer should be 5字尾 2 5。 Therefore answer B. Okay, right, so that's all for the multiple choice.